with Milo. Got some terrible weather on the way. We'll make the most of what we can. I don't think it's going to arrive till this afternoon, so we'll get Milo walked and then we'll get the girls walked. There's a few more daffodils starting to creep out. Supposed to be about 10 or 12 degrees today, Celsius that is. And a bit of extra warmth is going to bring all the rain, unfortunately. You see it's still muddy. Come Milo. Come on, good boy. Bit of wind getting up. The man from Amazon is bringing new toys today. We're actually getting the same toys, but fresh ones aren't chewed and destroyed like the others. They seem to work wonders on keeping their teeth clean. So we'll chuck out all the other ones that are falling apart because they're tending to eat some of the stringy bits. And you see when they go to the loo what comes out at the other end. Oranges and blues and yellows. I think they've had some fancy kind of worms, but they're not just red. Sorry about that. I'll do the yapping, didn't notice him going to the loo. All collected, bagged up and ready for the bin. Go on Milo! He's getting damp enough walking on this grass, he's not going in the river. Not having that, carry on. And the good thing is it's not raining at the moment. Everywhere is muddy. The worms will be happy. And so will the birds. When the worms surface like submarines coming up for air, the birds dive bomb and gobble them all up. That's why the fields have often got hundreds and hundreds of birds in them, packing away. They also seem to come when the grass has just been clipped. Whether they're taking it away to feather their nests. Maybe they are, maybe they aren't. Who knows? We're across the water, we carried him over. He's pretty wet anyway, but we do our best to keep him a bit drier. Having a good old sniff. No sign of the bobbo next door in the other field, can't see him. Don't know whether he had his carrots and his apples that the lady was throwing into the field yesterday. I must think he doesn't get fed. Good boy, Milo. Come on. Oh dear. If Milo can keep us out here long enough to get wet, there's no better boy. Constantly stopping, sniffing, fiddling and scratching. Now he's going deeper. He's having a roll around now, doing a collar. Smell of smelly grass. Are you eating grass? No. Come on. Come on, Milo. He just loves playing in it. I'll follow him and see where he goes. Let's face it, it's his walk, not mine. If I want any extras, I can go on my stepper. He's not been this far before because I don't let the lead go that far. And we don't find anything dead. A dead rabbit, a dead bird or something miserable and smelly and rotting. A bit of poo from something. You didn't spot it. Thank goodness. Oh, got caught on a bramble. No, come on, you're not eating rabbit droppings, come on. Nah, dirty. You're going to jump into that hump of grass? Come on, Milo. Milo, come on. Probably you're only, get me words out. Probably you're only, own tiddle you can smell from yesterday. Got his nose to the grindstone like an anteater. Come on, Milo. I can't see what you're doing back there. Come on. Come on. Come on, my little munchkin. Come on. I'll have to take you to the beach when the summer arrives and see how you get on with the waves. No munching. No munching. You're not eating anything in there, come on. He's at it again. No! I can't tell whether he's sniffing or eating. No! No, come on, I don't trust you. Come on, let's get out of it. I don't know what he's going to find in there. Come on. No. He's trying to peanut in a haystack. As you can see, there's no shed life for cows in Ireland. They live outside, they roam freely, they drink water and they eat green grass. Our cows aren't fattened up with needles. They get fat because they eat what they want, and lots of it. You can see the height of the river now. Well, we've got a lot of rain coming over the next couple of days. We'll see what it goes to. I don't know whether you can see that gauge. I would say it's on about 8, 7, 6, about half a metre deep over on the far side. More cows, not lying down yet. Oh, and the heron's just flown in. Ready to find his perch at the side of the waterfall, looking for fish. He's moved next to the waterfall. Didn't realise the camera say he's moved next to the waterfall. He's going to pop down on the rocks. Yep, now it's done. That's where he likes to sit. Just like the leaves off the bark. I don't think Milo's seen her up close, that close before. Who's that, Milo? Who's that? Right, we're out early with the girls. We want to dodge the rain, or try and beat it anyway, or as much of it as we can. There's no point in getting wet more than we need to. We'll get wet in the last walk of the day rather than the second and third. Tomorrow's going to be a gammy old day as well. So the grass is green and the cows are happy. Come on, Skye. Oh, we're off again. She's not interested, are you? No. Don't sort her out. Give her a snap. My teeth are bigger than yours. You're taking on a lot to take on those jaws. What are you looking at in the water? I hope it's not a fish. No, it's just a black stone. Skye, stop eating grass. Come on. Come on. Another cow. Stop. No. Come on. Come on. Come on, Skye. Skye. Good girl. All the dog food's arrived. Taken out a subscription with the churro. And that's what it looks like when it comes out of the box. 10 KJ bags, ages 1 to 7. The big thing is, it's grain free. And because Milo is allergic to chicken, we've got turkey, which doesn't seem to be a problem.